From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of breathing in polluted air and dealing with dry skin at the same time? Can the air purifier and humidifier combo all-in-one from EnviziClean be the solution you've been searching for? This innovative product combines the power of a HEPA air purifier with a humidifier, providing a comprehensive solution for improving indoor air quality. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its effectiveness and ease of use. With its smart technology, this device can automatically detect and adjust to the air quality in your home, providing a sense of relief and comfort as you breathe in clean air. The whisper-quiet operation of the purifier allows you to run it continuously without any disturbance, while the humidifier adds a soothing mist to the air, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. The benefits of using this product are numerous, from reducing allergy symptoms to eliminating stubborn odors, and the result is a fresher, cleaner-smelling home. In real-life use, this product has proven to be a game-changer, especially during peak allergy seasons or in areas with poor air quality. Compared to other air purifiers on the market, this combo product stands out for its ability to not only clean the air but also add moisture, making it a more comprehensive solution for overall health and well-being. By incorporating this product into your daily life, you can experience the benefits of clean air and healthy humidity levels, leading to improved sleep, increased energy, and a stronger immune system. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, the EnviziClean Air Purifier and Humidifier Combo all-in-one is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their indoor air quality, and with its popularity among customers, it's clear that this product is a top contender in its class. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.